Yeah, your family here, right? Your family here? Your place now. Yeah. Yeah, coolie.
What that say?
No, one of the coolie people in one place now. Business place now. If I say Chinese, I take over my place now. I'm the first time I'm shopping here still. Expensive one. You're off. And sell toys in here to people. You feel like me can't pay for it?
You can.
Why? This alone costs 5,000. I can't believe it.
Alone cost 7,000.
Eh. Chano. I know me I can manage. I have to take out some of the stuff now. Are we apple there? No apple there?
You don't know the story, you can call me Videographyer to next media. Keep it locked.
Hey people, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Even though this something looks so dark, but I'm at Ramtula supermarket. And today I'm gonna go over there. Cause it's night, it's late night now in Portland down here. I'll go over there and check out the price in them and see if over there reasonable with what they have to offer, and if you think they're really convenient as what they say. And you see it, yeah, everybody has to talk about that supermarket, the biggest in Portland and thing. So remember to like up the live here, like up the video, and share with a friend. Let's go guys. Yeah man, next media. So yeah people, so basically I'm coming here to pick up some things, some essential items. Alright, so basically this is the bathroom section. Everything over the aisle here. Yeah, in terms of household needs. Everything really look convenient for real people. So these are the middle aisle. Alright, so we got the last aisle. Sure know we're gonna last aisle. Alright, so these are the last aisle. Liquor they have around here. So we're going people in here convenient and nice. Oh, over here so look like at the hardware section. Over here remind me of Mr. Pete. All a bathing rug. Wow. Wow, you know, for when I want a nice bathing rug. Long time, you know how much it's and very reasonable. One for 520. Expensive though. Gotcha. I have to stick to them and then. Alright people, so we're going to the aisle there already. See that? Aisle they got to do it. Construction equipment. See that? Furniture product and bleach and so on. I'll deal with household stuff, soap and so on. Soap here are my favorite, and I love them soap. I say. Come on, them soap here nice. Protex. The best soap is. Hold on there. So the Portex are for 185. I have the Iris Ping for 185 too. Smell fresh. Can't believe I saw soap get there. So everything gone up. It's at the dark section. Wow. Animal section for a second. Another dog thing right there, so. Belt here, dog belt here, look nice. So them have a fridge around here, so with everything juice. Section there, the meat section. Oh, the index and then wrap. My favorite up there to Arizona. See, the people them have more fridge. Well, if I'm meeting or something. Wow. Meat for days. Wow. Alright, so what is section here them have? Just stir up the aisle here. See the people? Them have a sign up there. See a drink section is. Alright, so this is a drink section, as you can see, juice section. Alright. Alright, so them juice here having too much sugar. I always take that one here. There's a less sugar. I'm tired. Alright, so this is on combo snacks. Right now, let's look at. This is not my first time here, but I never really done a shopping here before. So that's time I don't really know where the thing them there. But me I walk and I look still. Or this is a bird section. Nice. You see what we Jamaicans do? We now take the bread from the top. We always love to take the bread from the back. That's just a Jamaican thing. Alright, so this, man, so we're out of this. Love them ginger tea mix here, yes, man. I best. Yeah, that one here, alright. Yeah, man, this is good. Alright, so as you can see, we are the snack section. Snacks, not really snacks. Cereal and bread and coffee section. Look on little cereal, but I can't find all this. So Trixie.
Where did I buy?
Do you remember where you want? Fruit Loops. Alright, so we have next aisle. This is the aisle for the rice, flour, and your cake. Everything convenient. What that? Tin milk, canned vegetable, everything there. So. High boy rice. Alright, people, so everything convenient as soon as you walk on. At the aisle here now. I have a cake mix and then something like sachets. $2.5 sachets. Now they have things expensive in here though. One sachet is $200. Chaja. Why Jamaica thing not easy, you know, man. Things rough at Jamaica. One me can buy. Oh boy. Macaroni and cheese, everything left on the island. Cup soup. Ice cream aisle. That's all. No, they sell only to. Wow, only expensive, man. $2.5 for that. Only any joke thing, man. Make it like apple and anything there. Apple and stuff. You're not sure?
$2.50 you said, right?
No, no, apple.
Hey,
Oh, go on. Oh,
alright.
glad to see you again, man. Oh, you feel like me can pay for you?
You can.
Why? This alone costs 5,000. I can't believe it.
That alone cost 7,000.
Chano. I know me I can manage. I'm going to take out some of something there. Are we apple there? No apple there? Alright. Yeah, you never find the channel yet. Yeah. So you know, give me an intro. So guys, please subscribe to Dex Media. Say it.
I would not even look.
You look good all the time. All the prepare. Listen to me. When I come on the road, people see you. So when I go from media, I see people on my face. You know, so you make a difference. You know.
Alright, next time we go back with the video.
Alright.
Take care of yourself.
Yeah, you too. The guys, I wanna see what I'm going in here. Expensive, bad. Yeah, man, in here, no joke place. Very expensive. What a section here. I call it haberdasheries. Sweet cleaner. Yeah, see. Or sweet leather. Oh, yeah, see, no from win more on this. Come on, sweet cleaner. See the people? It's an aisle for the sausage and so on, ketchup and so forth. So overall, people in here is expensive, as you see what I want. In here look like a rich people. But I still take up a few things here, man. Yeah, because I don't really have a choice. But apart, you know, them have all like liquor them. Here's the liquor section. Both be one of the room there. 1,000. Oh, because I said them rum then I said here. Somewhere I said something wrong. And still toys in here to people. Alright, people, right now I go to the cashier and I go see how much they may go come to. So give me a heads up when I reach 5,000. Already near to 5,000. Please. Card machine already. Alright. Yeah, your family here, right? Your family here? Your place now. Yeah. Yeah, coolie.
What that say?
No, but the coolie people don't own a place now. Business place now. If I Chinese that take over a place now. I'm the first time I shopping here still. Expensive, man. You see a whole heap of money this way I go over there. How much is that now? Okay. Yeah, go on. Yeah, go on. I'm not going bad. You reach 5 now? No, man, you're not in there, man. You're not in there. I'm a YouTuber. So I tell them, say, how much. Because first time I've been here, so I'm going to put it on here, man. You're not worried, so. You can check out my channel. You can check out my channel still. Search the next video. Yeah, me I go on, man. How much I reach now? No, I'm cut it off. It's like, I just cut it off.
Everything?
How much I reach? Yeah, go on, man. How much is this? 3 bills, one of this? Alright, give me that one now. Pick up one of them. I don't mind. How much are they now? Alright, put this one in. Alright people, so get you one thing as it. Yeah man, ram to the supermarket. Yeah general. Yeah man, it wasn't bad. But them something yeah. 5,000 something. It's about $40 in the US. Very expensive. Guys, please remember to like, share and subscribe. Yeah man, I'll watch the next video. Yeah man, Dex Media.